Hello students, let us continue introduction to trigonometry. Now we discuss table 8.1. Angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And these are sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Now we explain. First we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now divide each value by 4. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. And now take root of each value. Root 0 upon 4, root 1 upon 4, root 2 upon 4, root 3 upon 4, root 4 upon 4. Now 0 upon 4, that is 0. 0 upon 4, 0, root of 0, 0. So sin 0, 0. Now we write root 1 upon root 4. Root 1 upon root 4. Root 1 is 1 and root 4 is 2. So your value is 1 upon 2. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Now we solve. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Now we write 1 upon root 2. Root 1 upon 2. This is your root 1 upon 2 is equal to root 1 upon root 2. And root 1 is 1 and 1 upon root 2. So we write 1 upon root 2. Now root 3 upon 4 can we write root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon root 4. Root 3 upon root 4 can we write root 3 upon root 4 is 2. Root 3 upon 2. So we write root 3 upon 2. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. This is your 1 upon 1, that is 1. Root 1, root 1. Root 1 is 1. So we write only 1. Now we write angle of cos theta. Value of cos theta. Now we write in reverse order. 1 root 3 upon 2. Value of sin theta write in reverse order. 1 root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon 2 and 0. Now we write value of tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta. Formula of tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. So sin theta 0. 0 upon 1. Sin theta 0. Cos theta 0. Sin 0 0. Cos 0 1. Sin 0 0. So we write 0. Cos 0 1. So we write 1. That is 0 upon 1. 0. So tan 0 0. Value of tan 0 0. Value of tan 0 0. Now 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. Sin 30 degree upon cos 30 degree. Sin 30 degree upon cos 30 degree. We can write 1 upon 2 multiply 2 upon root 3. 2 cancel, that is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Now sin tan 45. Sin 45 upon cos 45. 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2. That is 1. This is your 1. We write tan 30. This is your tan 30, 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Again repeat. Sin 30, 1 upon 2. Cos 30, root 3 upon 2. 1 upon 2 multiply reciprocal of root 3 upon 2, that is 2 upon root 3. 2 cancel, that is 1 upon 30. 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is the value of tan 30. And tan 45, sin 45 upon cos 45, that is 1. Cancel, we get 1. Now tan 60, sin 60, root 3 upon 2 upon cos 60, 1 upon 2. 2 cancel, we get root 3. So we write tan 60 root 3. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. Not defined. 1 upon 0 means not defined. Not defined. Not defined. Now we write value of cot theta. Now we change the value of, we write the in reverse order of value of tan theta. So we write cot 0, that is not defined. Not defined. Root 3, 1 upon root 3 and 0. This is your 0. Now we write cosec theta. Cosec theta. Reciprocal of cosec theta is sin. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. That is 0. We can write 0, 0 upon 1, and we write in reverse position 1 upon 0. And 1 upon 0 is not defined. So we write not defined. Cosec 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 1, we write 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2, that is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 upon 2, that is 2 upon root 3. And reciprocal of 1, 1 upon 1 means 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Similarly, sec theta, we write the value of cosec angle in reverse order. 1, 2 upon root 3. Root 2, 2 and not defined. Not defined. Not defined. Now again repeat value of sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Again repeat. Reciprocal of 1 upon 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 upon 2, that is 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2, that is root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, so we write 2. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. This is your table of trigonometry ratio of some angle. 0 degree. Sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. Tan 0, 0. Cot 0, not defined. Cosec 0, not defined. Sec 0, 1. Sec 30 degree, 1 upon 2. Cos 30, root 3 upon 2. Tan 30, 1 upon root 3. Cot 30, root 3. Cosec 30, 2. Sec 30, 2 upon root 3. If you learn value of sine angle. Then you find all value of trigonometric ratio. Now important steps. This is your increasing order 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. As angle A means theta. As angle A increase from 0 to 90 degrees, let this angle be theta. Angle theta increase from 0 to 90 degree. Then sine A increase from 0 to 1. Value of sine A increase from 0 to 1. This is your increasing order. This is your increasing order from 0 to 1. And cos theta decrease from 1 to 0. Value of cos theta decrease from 1 to 0. This is your decreasing order and this is your increase order. Now learn value of sin theta and cos theta. Now we discuss again discuss some trigonometry ratio have common value. Sin 0, tan 0, 0. From table sin 0, tan 0, 0. Cos 0, sec 0, 1. Cos 0, 1 and sec 0, 1. Also learn this form and remember complementary T ratio have same value. Sin 30 equal to cos 30 equal to 1 upon 2. So learn all values in the form. Thank you.